Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again, guys. Now I want to I want to introduce you to about routing AGRP. Routing AGRP is the method of routing that using dynamic method. So when we configure it, we just need to add the network that the router have, and then the routing table will be generated with dynamically and connect the network in the first router to the other router. For the other router, we use the configure same as the first router. Now we want to try in. We open the Cisco Proprietary. We add three routers in here, one, two, and three, and then we use three client for one client for each router. Then we connect them and three and use this this. Okay. In router, it's only have two ports LAN, and we need to add more ports with the modules. The type is NM1 FA FE, sorry, T and X. We put it here, but we must to turn off first, and then we turn on again. Close. We try to connect them again, and yeah, already. For making easy. Oh, sorry. In here we need to configure the first router with the command like this. So for the network, I will not in here. For the first way /24, and here is, oh sorry, not, okay, 20.0/30 for the way that connect the router, and for the client I will use 192.168.10/24. In here same, but there is different 20 and /24 2, and here 192.168.30.0/24. This is for this network, and here this client, this is 2. In here I will use for the way the connector router, I will use 10.10 and 20.20. Now we start to configure the first router for the first router. Sorry, we going to cell I, and we create no in here. We enable config terminal. We turn on the interface first. Turn off interface FA 0.0. Shut down, and we add the IP address for the interface FA 0/0 with the command IP address 192.168.10.1 55. This is /24 or /24. Sorry, like this. This is for the client first. Now we continue to the interface FA 0/1, or turn on the way that connect the first router to the second router. We use the command same, no shutdown, and add the IP address 10.10.10.1, 255. This is the subnet mask 255.0. Now already we close first, and we next to the second router we use the same command Enable config terminal interface FA 0, no shutdown, IP address 192, 168.20.1, 155.255.255.0. That for the client. Now we continue to the interface FA 0/1. The connecting the Bluetooth to the router 1. No shutdown. Sorry. No shutdown. Already green. The way. And then we add IP address 10.10.10.2 on 25, 2025, 2025 point 252. Um, yes, 252. Sorry. In the first router, I forgot. Nah, this is wrong. I will change it. IP address 10.10.10.10. 3.1, 255, 255, 255, 250, 252. Yes, this is for slash 30 and this is for 34. Now we next to configure the interface in FA1/0 interface FA1/0 no shutdown IP address 20.20.20.1 255 255 sorry 255 252 uh, already we continue to the third router you enable config interface FA0/0 with the same command no shutdown and add IP address 192.168.30.1 255 for the subnet 55.255.255.0 and then we continue to the FA 0/1 0/1 no shutdown and continue with at the IP address 20.20.20.2 255 255 255 and 252. Yes, after we configure the IP address to the each router for the each interface, we now going to the first router again. We exit going to the global configuration. We use the command routing EIGRP for making the dynamic routing EIGRP been active. We activate first with the command router EIGRP with the I will this is in here we need the AS or autonomous system that make a different make a not different like class or for match the router from the one router to the another router we will use the autonomous system just one one we um we registered the network that the first router have with if you don't know you can see with the command do show um sorry do show oh yeah sorry IP root IP root like this now this is C is connected way we registered the connected just the connected way with the network 10.10.10.10.0 for and here oh 10.10.10.10.0 in here after we write the network. In here we need EIGRP wildcard bits that how to get it. Just the subnet that we use, you increase with the default subnet. Oh yeah, sorry, decrease, not increase. You decrease it, uh, the default router with your subnet mask that you use. We use the slash 30 for the first way in here. So the default subnet we decrease with our subnet. So will be 0.0.0. We can, for making easy you to imagine, we need to type in here. Sorry. Uh, the default is 255.255, 255, 255. We decrease with our subnet 255, 255, 255, 252. This is we decrease it, and the result is 0. The result is 0 point 0 point 0 point 0.3. Yes, just decrease it. Use in here 0.0.0.3. And next network, I will close the network. Continue this for the client, the network that the client use. 10 and 0, 0.0.0.3. No, so 0.0, because it use slash 24. It means the 155. Just decrease it in here. Just with if use the slash 24, just change it. So like this, right? Okay, we continue. After this, we continue to the second router. We use the same command, except, and then router EIGRP. We use one. In the EIGRP, we use the autonomous system, the same autonomous system, or like this is your class. You join in the class that we made like this, because it's corrected for making easy the administrator register the network. Oh, sorry, we see first here. Do show IP root. Do show IP root. Yes. The connected, we register the connected one. The command network 10.10.10.0, and the wildcard bits 0.0.3. Then the network again 20.20.20.0 and 3. Why use 20.0? Because we the IP use there is two devices use the same IP. With for making easy, we just write down the network for the client 192.60.8.20.0.0.0.2055. Already, we continue to the third router with the same command also, except router EIGRP1, and use the we see first do show IP root, register connect one with the command network 20.20.20.0, 0.0.3, and network again for the client 168, 30, and 0 with the 1 to, yes, good bits, 155 at the last, 155. Next, we see the blue show IP root event. You see the flag that is used the D flag. It's already connected. The would already make the there is a result. The root use the D flag is already get routing by routing EIGRP with dynamic routing. You see those show IP root now already dynamic in here. In the first root, there I will shift root also to show IP root like this. Now we configure the IP address for the PC. There's the 10.2 and we use the default gateway same that the router use it. Close in here. Stop. We enter it. All subnet. Okay. Sorry. Default. The 2.8.20.1. Exit again. And then this is also we use it another and yes for making in this one and then this two. After this we test ping and p ping it progress already successful. So the network in the first router and the second router for all clients already can uh, communicate even their network is different. This is the method routing. Uh, this is the method that the routing use for the EIGRP. So maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if there are lots of mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.